I don't know what to do. I got a package. Isn't that what we're all doing in this 2020? Aren't we all getting packages? These are like Cheetos without the cheese, right? Should I eat it? Are these edible too? Should I try it? She says no. Okay. This box. Who's gonna see what it is first? Me or you? Who's gonna see what it is? Oh, I saw what it is. It's upside down. Oh boy. I might have done something. Anything else in here? No. Okay. So, I've been making a bit of a push. I have been a part-time professional photographer. I've also done construction, window cleaning, snow plowing, as you've probably seen. But I decided to make an investment. And while gear isn't everything, there are some new bits of gear that can be really helpful for what I'm doing. So I got some papers. Oh, just seeing the manual makes me happy. How ridiculous is that? This is what the manual says. I shouldn't throw this away. I'll put it there. I bought myself a new battery charger, which looks just like my old battery charger. And I bought some cables. Oh, USB-C charging. It will charge while it records and shoots. I bought myself a new battery in plastic, blue plastic. And I bought myself a more plastic thing. Oh no. Oh no. I bought myself a new camera strap, which is, first of all, it's way thinner than my old camera strap. Is that going with the times of making better things? Oh, it's right there. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh boy, oh boy. It's heavy, kind of. Heavier than my Olympus. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. Oh my goodness, the screen is huge. 3.2 inch variable touchscreen that's still cold from being in Colorado FedEx truck. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look what I got. So yeah, I did treat myself. My last full frame proper camera is this one right here. So I bought this Canon 6D back in 2016 when I really knew that I wanted to get serious about photography. It's been a wonderful little workhorse, but this camera came out in like 2011. It's a good, solid DSLR, but it can't focus on anything. It shoots really slow. The video recording is awful. The screen doesn't move. And all of that is different now. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm just going to spend some quality time and get to know my new friend and maybe name it something. I'll let Laura name it. It's got little like flaps and things. Okay, I'm done for now, but yeah, new videos are coming. All about this.